Rita, you are able to listen my voice? Okay, this is the first class for industrial research, industrial relationship. What we'll do, we'll discuss today the syllabus and the content of your paper, what we have in this paper, what we're going to study. And I'll share the syllabus, the chapters, what we're going to discuss in each class. You go through it and let me know if you have any questions. The first thing is the paper name is Industrial Relations. Industrial relations, what do you mean by industrial relations? There are different types of relationship in the industry. For example, in any organization, any company, any factory, any shop, so there will be worker. People are managing everything. So relations are between the workers, means between the employee or employer and employee, between the owner and employee. जे मालिक जे काम देइछि ता सहित किंबा लोकन सहित ये रिलेशनशिप थाई पारे. लोक लोकन भितर रिलेशन जे काम करूछन्ति तांक भितर रिलेशनशिप थाई पारे. मालिक मालिक भितर भी रिलेशनशिप थाई पारे. Relationship are different types, and what you mean by relationship? It could be anything. It could be positive or negative. The relationship arises due to monetary or non-monetary ground. That means if you are working in a factory, you are getting salary. Due to salary, there could be some problem, some relations, whether good or bad, or you are getting bonus, you are getting different facility, different workplace facility. So the problem arises from any source, all these things. And once you have a good relations with your employer, suppose you are employee and employee-employee relationship are good, that means there won't be any issues in the factory, production will increase, profitability will increase. If the relationship is bad, if they are always people are not satisfied, then there will be strikes, there will be lockout, there will be problem. So the profitability, production will reduce. So this industrial relations has a lot of things to do with the economy. Country has a lot of steps to maintain a good relations in the industry between the employer and employee. If you have bad relations, then it will impact in many ways. So we'll read one by one. So to maintain good relations, we have different unions, different association that we'll read. And what is there in your syllabus? First thing, we'll understand the meaning of industrial relations. Then what are the factors determining the relations? Relationship system, different models of relations, what are the different types of relations? Then trade union, that I told you something, association, trade unions, something called trade union. You must have heard this term. How this trade union form, how it is recognized, what are the different trade union, how it works, how people are related to trade unions. Through trade unions, what are the things we can achieve or resolve? Those things we'll study in this paper. And there are unions between the employees. Employees nothing but trade union. Between management, and there are different organizations like banking sector, railway sector. So big organization, how the different how their employees are managed, what are the different unions associated with them, what are the roles and responsibility of trade union, what they do, how they work, industrial relationship trend in India, and different international organizations like International Labour Organization, International Commission, National Commission, how they are related to unions, how they are related to industry, how they are related to this relation. We'll study all this in this chapter. So once you go through this syllabus, you will have many questions and will understand one by one. We'll go through the chapters one by one, and you ask me if you have any questions, any doubts in between. In the class, what will our approach? We'll try to take 1 hour class per class. Suppose today we have class industrial relationship. Tomorrow we'll skip day after we have 1 hour class. Like that, we'll have every alternate day one class, 1 hour each. Between 1 hour, we can take a break of 5 minutes. We'll study or discuss one concept, then we'll take a break, then another concept. Like that, we'll go through that. And around 18 to 20 classes, I think your syllabus will complete. First thing, we'll start with meaning, their industrial relationship type, determinant how, what are the relationship exist in the country, and how trade union forms, and how it is impacting the relationship, and what are the national international organizations like ILO, how it is impacting, how it is connected with industry. We'll understand all these things in this chapter. And one important thing is regarding your attendance. Whenever you are joining any class, any session, you please mark your attendance by giving your name and roll number in the chat. I think your roll number has given to you. If it is not there, let me know. I will try to get it from college. At least you give me your name in the chat box so that I will collect your attendance from there and provide to your office, your college. So this attendance is must. Whenever you join, you give the attendance by giving your name and roll number. This is the protocol, or I can say the rule of the class. At least one day before, or definitely few hours before, I will send the link in the WhatsApp group. You will join the class, and in the class I'll share you the screen what we are going to discuss, the points. The same class in the same Zoom meeting I will share, and after the class on the same day I will send in the group the same points, whatever we discussed. For your revision, you can go through it, and the recording what you are having discussion in the class will maintain in YouTube channel. So slowly we'll give the link to you. So today being the first class, we'll not go through in detail. However, I will ask you to tell something about you, what you are, what is your background, what you do, what is your aim, like that. My name is Prabhu. I have two papers. I'm going to teach you in this course. One is industrial lessons, one I discussed yesterday. That is the management topic. So these two papers I will complete by working with you. So we have two members joined today. So you can tell something about you, what you, your background, what you want to do with your course, what is the main aim of this. We can start with Supriya. Supriya? Okay, the audio is not reachable, I think. Anything you want to me ask me in this class right now? So what I'll do, I'll share the syllabus. What is the chapter you have in this course? So as I told you, there will be meaning of industrial relationship. We'll spend one or two class on that. Then different models of industrial relationship, determinant of industrial relationship. What is IR system? We'll spend couple of class on each subject. Trade union will take more time. At least 3-4 class will understand trade unions. What are the different types of trade unions? How it is formed? How it is recognized? What are the environment of trade union? And following the trade unions, there are different types of unions through the employers, and there are unions which are mainly looking for the big organization like banking and railways. Will understand that. And what are the roles and responsibilities through trade union? What people can do, that will take couple of class. And in one class, we'll understand the trend of trade union, trend of industrial relationship in our country. After that, finally, we'll understand what are the different national and international organizations like ILO and Labor Commission, National Commission, how it is related to these relations, industrial relations. These are all in your syllabus. We'll try to complete and go through it in each class. Today I'll share this syllabus with you. We'll start with the definition in the next class. What is the meaning of industrial relations? How it is impacting the employees, employer, industry, country. We'll learn about that. And if you have any questions, you can ask me, can discuss. We can spend more time if required on any topic. Any anything you don't understand, we can spend more time on that. Thank you.